Today we're making the very popular whipped coffee, also known as Dalgona Coffee, and if I'm pronouncing that wrong, just let me know down in the comments. You can absolutely tweak this recipe to make it stronger and sweeter or less strong, less sweet, however you desire, but to start you're going to need a small glass or bowl. I'm making a weaker version of this coffee today, so I'm starting with 1 tablespoon of instant coffee granules. You can use 1 to 2, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of white sugar, and then 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water. You want equal parts coffee, sugar, and water. Then we need to mix this all together until whipped. I'm using just a handheld milk frother. You can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer. I will leave a link below for a hand frother if you don't have one. This is super handy. And most recipes are going to tell you to whip it together until it forms stiff peaks. And that means if you pull up your mixer and your whipped concoction stands up, that is the desired result you're looking for. However, it'll look really nice floating on top of your milk, but it's really hard to mix in. So I actually prefer to do half whipped. You're just going to whip it until the desired consistency. You want to make sure all of the coffee and the sugar is dissolved so you have a nice silky texture. And then you're just going to spoon this over the top of 1 cup of milk with ice and then stir it all together. Now, like I mentioned before, when you stir it together, it doesn't mix in very well. So you're going to start out with really weak flavor, and then by the time you get to the bottom, you're basically going to be drinking the concentrate. That's why I suggest doing the half whip. You can use decaf granules, you can use regular granules. You can make it weaker by just doing a 1 tablespoon of coffee, sugar, water, or you can make it nice and strong and potent with 2 tablespoons of each coffee, sugar, and water. Super fun, super easy, super delicious. I'll leave everything linked down below for you guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you try this coffee recipe. Be sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes. And if you're looking for another delicious beverage, go ahead and click or tap here on screen, and I'll see you guys there.